If you eat too many carrots, your skin may turn slightly orange. People wonder, will eating too many carrots change the color of your skin? The surprising fact is eating too many carrots, or other foods high in beta-carotene, can cause a yellowish discoloration of the skin, according to the dermatology clinic at WAMS. This discoloration, a condition called carotenemia, is most noticeable on the palms and soles. Unlike jaundice, though, carotenemia does not cause yellowing of the whites of the eyes. Carotenemia is usually seen in young children, is not toxic and generally does not cause other health problems. Treatment for this discoloration is a change to a low-carotene diet, but it may take several months for the skin to return to its normal color. Just don't substitute tomatoes for your carrots. Eating too many tomatoes can cause a yellow-orange discoloration of the skin called lycopenemia, due to the accumulation of lycopene in the tissues. The treatment for lycopenemia is also dietary modification. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.